Today I will demonstrate how to use the MiniMic transmitter as shown here. Wear the MiniMic using the clip. A lanyard is provided, but it's not adjustable, so it will be too far from your mouth if it's used. So place it so that the clip is secured on your neckline or your collar, and the microphone is 6 inches away from your mouth, which is roughly the distance between your baby finger and your thumb if your head is level. So make sure your head is level, and then your baby finger will be at your mouth, and the top of the MiniMic will be where your thumb is. To turn the MiniMic on, use the gray button at the top. Hold the button until you see a green light, and the green light will flash once a second. To turn the MiniMic off, use the same button, and you'll see a red light when it's turned off. Clip the MiniMic on your shirt with the microphone facing up. This is the microphone. If the microphone is not facing up, above all else, the student will hear the microphone rubbing against your shirt. On the student's hearing aid or implant, the streaming mode needs to be enabled for the student to hear you through the MiniMic. To get into streaming mode, this can be done via a button press on the hearing aid or processor, with a smart app, or with a remote control. The range of the MiniMic is 82 feet when in direct line of sight. If the student goes out of range and returns within 5 minutes, streaming will continue. If the student is out of range for more than 5 minutes, streaming will need to be re-enabled on the hearing aid or implant. Charge the MiniMic every night. Turn the MiniMic off and plug the charger into the receptacle on the side. There's no danger of overcharging the transmitter. Our team is happy to help and answer any questions that you might have.